pigs, also known as cavies, are adorable little furballs that make great pets. They're super easy to care for, which is a huge plus if you're a first-time pet owner or just want something low maintenance. These guys are social creatures and love being around people or other guinea pigs, so they'll definitely appreciate some company. One of the cutest things about guinea pigs is the little noises they make like squeaks and purrs when they're happy or excited. They're not big chores like some other small pets, and they don't need fancy setups, just a comfy cage, some fresh veggies, hay, and water, and they're good to go. Plus, they have such funny personalities and can get pretty attached to their owners, making them a perfect pet for anyone who wants a chill, yet affectionate, furry friend.